Thank you, Omar. Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to be here. And I have a few videos and photos to share in order to have all some, let's say, insight, or at least to discuss further a little bit about extended reality, XR. That is, at the end, virtual plus augmented plus mixed reality. When we talk about extended reality, we are talking about three main components: virtual, augmented, and mixed reality. I'm into the educational field since 1996, born and raised in Italy. Then for business reasons, I moved also to Switzerland, France, Greece, Dubai, some other countries, and last but not least, the US. So I had the chance since 1996 to deal with education from multiple perspectives: instructional design, delivery, teaching methodologies, focusing on immersive and interactive learning activities. And really my passion since 2011-12 is immersive learning inside a phygital place, both physical and digital, that is called IREAL. I co-designed it with some colleagues of mine from Harvard, both the medical and the business school, Stanford, some other places from Western Europe, like the Polytechnic School of Turin, the Polytechnic School of Milano, and first of all, the colleague of mine from LOGOSNET. Let me share something that could be better than talking. Let's start from here very quickly. You already know my name and you know who am I. It's me inside an IREAL classroom. This is the one from the Polytechnic School of Milano in Italy. And this is immersive learning.
Get more from simulation. Experiment with diverse environments and scenarios. Write on the walls, move and rotate images, and interact with avatars and with people from remote locations. Come and explore an unlimited world.
So you saw touch comments, gesture shaping, and as a third interactive way, spoken comments, vocal comments. Three ways to interact with both real and virtual objects. This is immersive and interactive as a phygital place. It's phygital because there are sensors, proximity sensors, sensors to capture movement, the flick of our hands, our gesture, and the microphones to capture our spoken or vocal comments. All those devices are embedded inside the walls. So is at the same time a physical and a digital environment because it's highly sensorized and because virtual objects are touchable like real objects. There is a fusion. It's a hybrid reality at the end. That is a niche inside mixed reality. And mixed reality is part of the extended reality. joined with virtual reality, means virtualization of objects, in this case, learning objects, and augmented reality means overlaying information, in this case, directly over the walls. These places are physical, maybe also platforms online. So I'm sharing photos from existing classrooms. In this case, this is Overland Park in Kansas. It's a community college. This is a trip to Hong Kong, a trip to Venice. Those are just augmented reality mirrors, totems embedded with proximity sensors to interact and to mirror something that is not there into the real world, but is virtualized to teach and learn, in this case, biology and health sciences. Second and last short video. This is from DC, Washington, DC, the George Washington University. We are working with them into different environments. Today, we are about to look at a truck, a big truck, a mobile STEM lab to teach and learn science, technology, engineering, and math.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin O'Connor. I'd like to take the time to tell you about an innovative project I hope you'll support. The Community MediCorps program, developed by the GW School of Medicine and Health Sciences, will transform how high school students in Northern Virginia study life and health sciences for in-demand careers. The flagship of the program is a high-tech immersive learning center. This mobile STEM-H lab features both virtual and augmented reality to immerse students in real-life environments for hands-on collaborative learning.
So, an example. In this case, brain cancer inside the mobile lab. People, learners, in this case, young learners, are expected to interact by the flick of their hands and by gesture performed in the middle of the hair. Think about the 3 big screens inside the truck, plus 5 HoloLens, the augmented reality glasses by Microsoft, all together to experience in an immersive and interactive way something that is a STEM education program inside a very innovative teaching and learning center. It's mobile, is brand new. Students are not used to live experiences like that. This is immersive and interactive learning really in a few minutes. And just to summarize what extended reality is, in my opinion, as well as according to Gartner Group, because this is originally from Gartner Group, is the merging of physical and digital world. When we talk about extended reality, we are talking, interacting, touching components that could be augmented, virtual, and mixed. What really matters to me is inside the mixed reality, such a small niche that is called hybrid reality, is where really happens the merging in between the real and the virtual worlds.
Thank you so much.